endless dance, colliding grace. We are the sound the cosmos plays. Every rhythm, every spark writes creation in the dark. Time refracts in sacred tone. Every heart becomes a stone, turned to diamond, pure awake. Born from chaos, we remain. Creation.